I'm sorry. I'm probably going to set you guys back in the experience area.
You ain't setting anybody back. Go for it.
All right. So I need to crush some serious sales this week.
Yep.
I have 100 in my pipeline. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Okay.
So I've gone through all the videos you got, not all of them, but most of which can pertain to my situation.
Yep.
My question to you is, if you were in this situation,
yep,
how would you approach this?
Okay. Remind me again what you're selling. Real high level. One sentence. What are you selling?
We're selling high ticket weddings. Not even high ticket. We're talking about, like, $7K, $15K. Birthday parties, events.
Okay. And who are these people in your pipeline?
The people in the pipeline are people who have made inquiries, people who have done business with us.
Perfect. So what I would, and how many did you say you had? 800?
About 800, yes. Okay.
So I would spend the next hour after this call thinking of an idea. And that idea might be something like, I'm not sure if you know anything. Most people post-COVID now with venues, everything has changed from pricing to availability. Something that is insightful, not a sales pitch, but insightful, where they're like, man, yeah, I didn't really think about that, right? Like, let's say your venue was in Atlanta and a lot of people are having to drive out to Conyers and that traffic's miserable, okay? Come up with an idea. And the idea should be useful, where they're like, it should be business related and it should get deals on track, but at the same time, it should be, if they hang up the phone with you, they're going to be like, man, that was a good dude. He had my best interests in mind, if that makes sense, right? So, and a good idea, right? A lot of people have been going out to the vineyards out there in Conyers, and what they don't realize is that traffic now is an hour and a half each way. And one of the things that's really interesting is we have a facility in Peachtree Corners where you essentially have no traffic. Just calling to see if it makes sense to send some quote and some new information your way. It might sound something like that, okay? But now here's the thing. I want you to make 800 calls saying this: who you are, how you're connected, and that you have an idea that you want to get their opinion on. It might sound like this. Hey, Bob, Matt Easton here with Easton Events. You and I are connected because we talked about 6 months back on a corporate event. I was thinking about you today, and I've got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you call me on my mobile? 720-660-3202. Here's how those calls don't sound. Okay? Here's what I don't want you to do. Call 800 people and say this: hey, Bob, Matt Easton with Easton Events, man, best event company in all of Georgia. Hey, we've got some special promotions going on right now. If you've got 5 minutes, give me a call back. I would love to walk you through what we are doing here at Easton Events. Or worse, I would love to learn a little bit about your business, see if you guys are still in the market. It is not their job to teach you about their business. They will in constructive conversation, but you have to remember the order of things. The order is this: we have to get their attention, okay? Was thinking about you, and I've got an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. Everybody loves to give their opinion. Gets people's attention, okay? Then I'm going to deliver an insight once they call me back. Now, what a lot of people don't realize is a lot of these events, these venues are booked 9 months out. We actually have, we don't really advertise it, a VIP program for people like you that we've been in contact with in the past, where you can get booking some better spots because we have an existing relationship with you, typically with only about 30 days notice, right? I wanted to make you aware of that in case something comes up and you got to get something in there quick, whatever the idea is, right? Now I've got your attention I've got your attention and I'm delivering an insight. Insights typically lead to conversations. Conversations sound like this: yeah, we had called you about a wedding that we were doing. We're a catering company. Do you guys have an affiliate program? Yes, we do. Right? What did you have in mind? Now your conversations then lead to opportunities. Opportunities lead to sales, right? But we got to slow the process down in the beginning. If you make 800 salesy calls today, you are emotionally going to be beat to death by the end of the day. Your number's going to get blocked about 7 times, and you may get one opportunity. If you make 800 calls with, hey, I've got an idea I wanted to get your opinion on, and then by the way, you can call all those people back in another month because you didn't shoot off all your fireworks with the, we've got, and by the way, everybody does that, and they, ow, they shoot themselves in the foot. We got a great promotion, what's going on right now. Well then, you either can never call them back again, or say you're a liar, or worse, race to the bottom. Last month was 15% off. That's nothing. This month we're giving 50% off. Hang out, by the way, because by about Halloween, we're going to pay you to have your event at our venue. Don't go down that road. I want you to be intellectual. I want you to be a consultant. I want you to have an idea that you want to get their opinion on. You need to sit down with your business partners and think about an idea. There's a million of them out there, right? Something that adds value.